Students, today we are of discuss on the next topics of the chapter structural organization in animals. In the previous sessions, we all of know the different types of tissues which are found in the animals, how body formation takes place, body organization. The first of all, cells are formed, the cells are transformed into tissues, and tissues are transformed into organ, and organ transformed into organ system, and then a complex body is form of animals. The next topic is to know about the morphology and various parts of three animals: earthworm, cockroach and frog. So first of all, we know about the earthworm. Earthworm. The earthworm is very familiar to all of us. Is generally found our surrounding in the soils. In rainy season, it is very easily observed. The earthworm scientific name is Pheretima posthuma. Pheretima posthuma. Pheretima posthuma. And other varieties of cockroach are found in the different regions of the world. The body of earthworm is segmented. Numbers of segments are found segments. Generally 100 to 120 segments are found in the bodies of earthworm. Mouth, clitellum, the external morphology. The earthworm is composed of mouth, clitellum, anus. The mouth opens the ventrally, where the specific coral-like structures are present. This is known as clitellum. During breeding, the clitellum secretes a specific substance which help in the formation of cocoons, in which ovum and sperms are stored, and future developments of new young ones takes place, known as clitellum. Locomotion in earthworm. How locomotion takes place in earthworm? The earthworm locomote through the muscles, specific muscles. The muscles help in the locomotions, transverse muscles, and specific structure CT. Yes, CT is the chitinous S-shaped structures. Chitinous S-shaped structures which help in the locomotions. CT क्या है? It is the chitinous S-shaped structures which help in the locomotion of earthworm. Breathing, respiration किसके थ्रू होता है? The earthworm breathe through the moist skin. इसकी बॉडी जो इसकी स्किन होती है वो बहुत मॉइस्ट होती है, हमेशा मॉइस्चर उसमें रहता है, जिससे वो एक्सटर्नल एटमॉस्फेयर की जो ऑक्सीजन होती है उसको डिफ्यूज कर लेता है और उसको ऑक्सीजन की सप्लाई होती रहती है. नेक्स्ट, digestive system. The digestive system of earthworm composed of pharynx, esophagus, intestine. These help in the digestion of foods. Our specific structures composed the digestive system is the typhlosols that help or increase the absorption of the foods. Circulatory system. The circulatory system of cockroach composed of heart. The heart are not fully developed, but the arteries in the some regions lateral act as a heart. They take part in the pumping of bloods. Excretory system. The excretory system of cockroach, excretory system of earthworm composed of nephridia. Nephridia that help in the excretion of vestigial materials from the body. On the location of in the body is the different names: pharyngeal nephridias, esophageal nephridias, septal nephridias, etc. Reproductive system. The reproductive system, the earthworm is bisexual. Male and female reproductive organs are present in the same bodies, but they do not self-reproduce because their egg and ovum inhibits the fertilization of the same individuals. Due to this, cross-fertilization occurs in them. The reproductive system male reproductive system composed of testes, vas deferens, etc. Whereas the female reproductive system composed of ovaries, oviduct, etc. इकोनॉमिक इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ अर्थवर्म. अर्थवर्म का हमारी लाइफ में क्या इकोनॉमिक इंपॉर्टेंस है? द अर्थवर्म इज नोन एज द फ्रेंड्स ऑफ फार्मर्स. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? फ्रेंड्स ऑफ फार्मर्स. बिकॉज इट मेक्स द सॉइल पोरस इन विच एयर इज फिल्ड एंड इंक्रीज द फर्टिलिटी ऑफ सॉइल. It used in the various purposes for making the Ayurvedic medicines. In some regions, it acts as गैंट और चारे के रूप में मछली पकड़ने के लिए यूज करते हैं. वेरियस यूज. cockroach. Cockroach The scientific name of cockroach is the Periplaneta americana. Periplaneta americana. Americana. Periplaneta americana is the scientific name of cockroach. The cockroach generally found in our surrounding, in houses of the dark regions, that is storehouses, kitchen, cervix, etc. Morphology. The cockroach is the insect. Its body is differentiated: head, trunk, and abdomen. It composed of wings that help in the flyings. These are nocturnal animals. Generally, it can be seen in the night. Breathing or respiratory system. The respiratory system composed of a network of trachea that help in the breathing. Circulatory system. The circulatory system composed of heart, and the heart composed of 13 chambers. In this, the blood flow in open sinuses. The blood is colorless. No pigments are found in the bloods. Respiratory system. The respiratory system composed of specific tubes known as Malpighian tubules. Known as Malpighian tubules. The Malpighian tubules help in the excretion and removal of waste material from the bodies. Reproductive system. The reproductive system composed of the cockroaches, dioecious animals. Male and females are found in different forms. The male is smaller in size, where female is large in size. So next, the male composed of male reproductive system, testes, vas deferens, and various types of glands. The female composed of ovaries, oviducts, and glands that help in the reproductions. Digestive system. The digestive system composed of alimentary canal. The alimentary canal differentiated into various parts These are as foregut, midgut, hindguts. The midgut composed a specific structure known as hepatic ceca. Frog. The scientific name of frog is Rana tigrina. Rana tigrina. Okay. Its morphology is generally found in our surrounding, in damps, soils, water bodies, and various regions. The external morphology, the frog is generally olive colors. Its body is divided into head and trunks. It composed of 2 forelimbs and 2 hind limbs. The head is triangular. Fish bears 2 eyes and 1 nostrils. External ear are absent. Digestive system. The digestive system composed of alimentary canal, which is differentiated into mouth cavity, esophagus, small intestine, large intestines, in which digestion takes place. Circulatory system. The circulatory system is closed type. It composed of heart, artery and veins. The heart is 3 chambers. Heart, 3 chambers, 2 atriums and 1 ventricles. 2 atriums and 1 ventricles. 3 chambers hearts. Due to this, incomplete circulation takes place. Respiratory system. Respiratory system. The respiratory system composed of various organs, that is the skin, gills and lungs. The frog respire through the 3 methods: by the skin, known as cutaneous respiration; by the gills in the embryonic early stage, and lungs in the adult stage. All type of respiration takes place. 3 types. Reproductive system. The reproductive system composed of different reproductive organs. Both male and females are found in the different morphologies. The male composed of testis, vas deferens and various glands that help in the reproduction. The female composed of ovaries, oviduct and cloaca. The cloaca is the common for reproduction as well as in its secretions. It reproduces during the rainy season. The external fertilization takes place. The male release sperm in the waters and female release ovum in the waters. where fusion of gamete takes place. After fusions, zygote is formed. The zygote develop into embryo. After some times, the embryo modified into tadpole. Tadpole is the first embryonic stage of the frog. After some times, it modified into like as adult frogs. Morphologies. Economic importance. The frog used in the various countries used as foods. It balances the ecosystem by eating insects, etc. So today the all topics of this chapter is completed and the chapter is also completed. Okay.